Hello YouTube, Mountainous here, and I have another airsoft review video for you today. And today's video is going to be a product review and a product test video. Now this rifle is the Cyma Cm022 Ak47 electric AEG rifle. Now this rifle features an all-plastic body and a plastic gearbox and shoots at 240 feet per second. Now before I bought this rifle, I went on YouTube and watched about 10 different review and product test videos on this rifle. Every one of those videos was lacking a tripod and blurry camera and was a horrible review video. I hate to say it like that, so I wanted to get one and test it out for myself. So now we're going to start at this end of the rifle and work our way to the tip. Now the battery is stored in the back. It comes with a battery and charger, and the cap on the end fits very tight. Now all the fake wood on the rifle is pretty decent plastic and it looks really nice. Now it does have a hop-up, which is right here, and the bolt catch is not functional, but it does come with a high capacity winding magazine. The sights are functional, it does slide, you can adjust them, and it does come with the orange tip. But this is a pretty great looking rifle for the price. I paid about $40 for this rifle with shipping. Now I know this has a plastic gearbox, but plastic gearboxes and entry-level AEG guns have come a long way in the last 5 years, so I just wanted to see how it performs. And I know some of you are saying you need a metal gearbox. I do have a Cybergun M4 Commando with a version 3 metal gearbox, so I buy all kinds of airsoft guns, not only cheap spring rifles, pistols, electric AEGs that are plastic gearbox and metal gearbox. I like them all. Now that I told you a little bit about this rifle, let's get on with the product test. Alright, the safety's on. Let's put it in semi-automatic mode. Now let's try this in full automatic mode. Wow guys, this thing is an amazing rifle for an entry-level AEG rifle. This thing is definitely Mountainous approved. Until the next adventure, Mountainous out.